Hi, I am Nitish and I am someone who likes to make video games. I started making video games when I was in second year of engineering, and ever since I have been making games as a hobby game developer. So far, I have completed nearly about 50 plus games, out of which 20 are available on itch.io. Two of these games are actually my commercial games. I still remember when I first moved an image inside Pi game, and my mom saw that and she was like, no one is going to like this, no one is going to play this thing. And she was right at that moment, because now that I see, the level was not good or great, but that was the project which added a lot to my experience. That was the project which made me learn a couple of stuff, how to create digital assets and how to import them in a game engine and how to move stuff around in a game. From that time onwards, I have been heavily involved in creating games. It has been more than 5 years since I started my first project, and I started with Pygame and then went on to Arsena engine, then Raylib. I checked Raylib a little bit. After that, I got to know about Unreal Engine and Unity. I choose Unreal Engine and I started working with it. And ever since I've been working with Unreal Engine, I had an internship in which I had to use Unity and C#, but all my personal projects, they are from Unreal Engine itself. Recently I have shifted to Bevy game engine. It follows that ECS paradigm. So after all those years and with all of that experience, I'm about to start with a new game dev project, and I invite you to this journey with me, where I will be developing this game using Bevy game engine. We will try to handle this project professionally as much as we can. We'll be following the sprint system. One story point would be equivalent to 1 hour. One sprint will be equivalent to a 1 week. After each week, we will be figuring out the progress we have made so far, and then how do we proceed next. So I will be the only developer and architect and designer and the artist. Solo game development, the indie nature of it. I am kind of really excited for this because I have a vision that I want to accomplish, and I want you guys to follow me along the way so that I can share these emotions and these feelings with someone who can relate to the things that I do. So this is not just going to be a project on which we work. It's going to mean a lot more than that. The things that we do, the way we solve the problems, the kind of art that we create, how do we spend time, how do we manage time, how do we deal with other things during the day, and there's just a lot. There's a lot of factors to deal with. I really hope that you enjoy this with me. So buckle up. Here we go. By the way, I am so deep in game development that I ended up creating my own game engine. More on that later.